Do you want to know how you can log into your Bangor Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Bangor Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Bangor Payroll Login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Bangor Payroll. This is a secure user login portal. If you want to open a new user, go ahead and click on this, and if you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you. So as we are logging into our Bangor Payroll account, we'll click on secure user login. The next step is to write down your username or email address. So go ahead and write down your username or email address in this box over here. The next step is to write down your password. So go ahead and fill in your password. Make sure that your username and your password are correct and are associated to your Bangor Payroll account. Then click Login or Sign In, which is over here. This way, you can successfully sign into your Bangor Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you. And if you want to go to the mobile version, you can click on this and you can download the mobile portal, or you can log into your mobile portal of Bangor Payroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.